So now for the part 2 of drawing Raj and Uncut from Tarak Mehta serial, you have to focus, or our main focus will be on the red side of the goggles that he is wearing and the face structure of his. So now we have to focus main on his eyes shadows, his nose, and the main glasses that he is wearing. So for making the baseline, I will recommend you to use a 3B pencil because his eyes are layer a bit more darker as compared to any other parts or the skin texture. So use 4B pencil. For making the base layer, use outlines so that you can have the perfect outlines of the eyes. Then don't use more pressure, or don't allow yourself to have more and more pressure to your pencils while making outlines, because if the outlines are looking totally dark, you cannot, or you will not be allow yourself to have blended with your skin, or it will totally look like a drawing, but it will not look like a realistic sketch that you want. So now as you can see that the proper pupil and the main darker part of the center of his eye, I have used 8B pencil for getting those darker values, but I have used a 5B pencil for making outlines of his eyelashes and the downside part of the shadows. Don't use more than 5B pencil for skin texture or the eyelashes or any other parts, because if you will use more darker values, the eyes will look totally dark, and that you don't want on your drawings. It will look totally weird and the realistic sketch will look totally like drawing. Now for making his goggles, I have used a red color pencil first and just used a small pressure on the small areas. Using a sharpened red color pencil, I am giving the outlines of the goggles. The main focus of ours will be that how you can blend your goggles, so that because the goggles are layer a bit transparent on the front side, so you can see the back side of the face that his cheeks are a little bit darker, and you can see the reference picture that the darkness of the cheeks are literally visible from the goggles that he is wearing. So for that, if you want to give that look, you have to give more darker values to your goggles. So first of all, make a base layer using a small pressure to your color pencil and make outlines of your goggles. Then make more and more darker values as much as you want, but for that you have to keep on focusing on the details that you see on the goggles, because it is the center part. If you will see any picture, any portrait, or any photos of someone's, the first focus of yours will be on the eyes and the nose. So you have to keep on focusing these two details. But for the nose, the main part is distributed over two glasses that he is wearing, so you have to give more details and more time to making those glasses. As you can see that some parts of the glasses I have made more darker values of the red one, and you have to, if you want to give more darker values through color pencils, just apply more pressure so that you can get more darker values from red. Just leave the center part so that you can get more transparent look from as you can see from the reference picture. But for making his ears, the main focus of ours will be the upside part of his ears, because the downside part of his ear is more lightened or highlighted as compared to upper part. You can see more and more details on the ears, upside part of the ears, so that you can use a 3B pencil or 4B pencil for having those outlines or the details. Use grid method, as I always say that use grid method so that you can have perfect outlines. Don't go directly. If you are used to with a portrait drawing, if you are an intermediate or advanced artist, you can get more and more values, or you can go direct too, but I will recommend you to always use a grid method for perfections. Now for the lips part, his lips are layer a bit highlighted, or more his pinkish part of his lips is layer a bit more highlighted as compared to any other parts, but the center of the lips are more darker as compared to upper and lower lip. So just go from center to up and center to down, but don't make outlines of the lips. As you can see that he is not having mustache, but the shadows of his lips and the cheek part, he is having little bit more shadows. So apply those shadows and use a 3B pencil for having those shadows, but blend it with the earbuds. as I always recommend that don't apply a blending stump on the faces or a skin texture, because it will give you a totally dark look. Because if you have not sharpened your blending stumps, or if you are using the same blending stump as you used before, you will get a more darker value, and you don't want that. But you can change your earbuds frequently, so use earbuds while blending those outlines of the face structure. You can use blending stumps while making those lips and blending those lips of the downside or the front side. Just keep on focusing. The main tip I want to tell you about focusing is that have more patience and see more and more details through reference picture. Give yourself more and more times. As you can see, or I can also see, that while making the left side part, he's having a brightest part of his face, of his cheek, and I am just darkening small portions which I can see are more darkened, or I can see more shadows. But on the left side part, he's totally white, or the most fair person I have ever seen while making or seeing any serial. So that the left side part I have just left it using a 2B pencil, max to max 2B pencil, for making those outlines of his cheeks. But if you want to give outlines of his neck or his jawline, just darken the downside part of his neck, so that you can automatically have more and more outlines. But don't make a straight line of his neck and start shadowing the downside part. I will recommend you to shade the downside part, so that the shade gives you the outline, and you don't have to blend much. The main drawing or the real drawing that any artist can make is that without outlines. But for main thing about grid method is that you have to make outlines, and the main thing is that you can blend, how easily you can blend your paintings easily so that it looks more realistic. We'll see the remaining parts in the next video. See you in part 3. So that was all for this tutorial. If you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down below your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care if your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos. Subscribe now by clicking here, or the lid of your pencil will break every time you draw. And click here if you want to learn more about portrait drawings.